So look at that. The first snowfall of the year. And not much, but it's a start to winter, so I'm not looking forward to it. The roads stay pretty much clear because it's still warm enough. The ground isn't frozen enough yet, but it is coming. Winter is coming swiftly, but that's normal for Alberta. I don't know, last year it snowed this early. Maybe it'll be an early winter or an early spring. I mean, hopefully that would be nice. But I'm just gonna do a talking video here a little bit, but have a drink of my coffee. So we got through the Thanksgiving season. My wife always has her family over and have a turkey and stuff like that, so that's nice. It's good to see family, you know. I'm not much of a social butterfly at all. I have more social anxiety than anything else. And that's probably because I don't belong here on this earth, and that's just normal too for a believer. A true believer knows or feels out of place, and I feel out of place all the time on this earth, and every day I experience it, and as I'm sure most of you who watch my channel as believers do. All of us have some kind of disorder, and I have many. I don't go into all of them, but one of them is social disorder, which I really, you know, because it's stale conversation. They're talking about the world. They're unbelievers. It just bothers me. Because you can't have an actual conversation from a spiritual perspective with people who don't believe. And, you know, you love them and you're at peace with them because God is at peace with them, but it's just, you know, you want it to be over with. I know I do. That's just normal. But it's nice to have family over for my wife, and it's mostly for her anyway, because it is her family. It's my family, my in-laws, but it's her family, her direct family. So that's what it's for. It's to please my wife. And the scriptures clearly say, please your wife. When you're married, you please your wife. Yes, you do. And that's just a good thing to do. But on another note, the permanent link is there for the word studies. I'm going to add to it as I go along here. And I've been doing word studies for a little bit, so it just continues on. At least the template's put together thanks to Stephen Janowski, our brother, who edited it and made it look nice and all that, because I can't do that kind of stuff. I'm not great at it. That's about all. So you'll see that permanent link. I showed it to you on that video, the last video when I showed it to you on the computer there. It's funny, that video got like almost 400 views. It's weird. I guess it might have been the title. You know, sometimes the YouTube algorithm hits something and it just goes off. Which is great, because who knows who's seeing it, and who's going to get something from it. So that's a good thing. And God knows where to take the message, and He does it. It's not us who do it. It's God who gives it out and gives belief. So whoever are called to hear it will hear it in this lifetime. I'm a little bit tired today. I'm doing deliveries every day. I'm getting shifts every day, so that's nice, but I'm just tired of the world and the system and the wickedness. You know, I feel it from a spiritual perspective, and the oppression that one feels, and I do. It's just heavy duty, and some days are even more than others, where you can feel it. It's just palpitating, and it's just heavy. But God keeps us going, and it's His love, His grace. Beautiful, beautiful grace. I can't even express it in human words. the grace of God. But this is what's displayed through all of us. So have a great day. Just showed you the snow, had a little chat. We'll talk to you later. Grace and peace.